Using HubSpot on mobile devices. As a marketer, staying organized and productive on the go is crucial. With the rise of mobile devices, it's easier than ever to access your marketing tools from anywhere. In this video, we'll explore how to use HubSpot on mobile devices, making it a game changer for your marketing workflow. HubSpot offers a range of mobile apps that allow you to manage your marketing campaigns, track leads, and analyze data on the go. With the HubSpot mobile app, you can access your CRM, sales, and marketing tools from your smartphone or tablet, ensuring you're always connected to your business. One of the key benefits of using HubSpot on mobile devices is the ability to capture leads and opportunities in real time. Whether you're at a conference, meeting with clients, or on the go, you can quickly capture contact information and follow up with leads using the HubSpot mobile app. Another advantage of using HubSpot on mobile devices is the ability to analyze data and track your marketing performance on the go. With the HubSpot mobile app, you can access key metrics and insights, helping you make data-driven decisions and optimize your marketing strategy. To get the most out of HubSpot on mobile devices, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the app and its features. Start by downloading the HubSpot mobile app and exploring its various tools and features. You can also take advantage of HubSpot's mobile-specific training and resources to help you get up to speed quickly. By using HubSpot on mobile devices, you can streamline your marketing workflow, increase productivity, and drive business results. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like and share this video with your colleagues and friends who could benefit from this knowledge.